Hey everyone, this is a very short video. I want to talk about this feature called make this my main display on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So I think it already existed before Windows 11 as well. But this is very cool because if you have external monitor, you can set it as your main display, which means that number one, all the system icons will be available on the main screen as you have seen here. So this one, actually, I recorded this on the external monitor, which I have made as my main display. So how do you reach this menu is very simple. So just type in display and then you click on the second one here, duplicate or extend to a connected display, which brings you to this menu that I just showed you. So here you just click your second monitor here and then click on here, the multiple displays. So I have ticked this before. My external monitor will act as the main display. So what does it mean by that? Apart from you have the system icons on your main display like this one, you also will support multiple apps that previously does not support displaying on the external monitor. One very obvious one will be the Battle.net. Okay, so this is Battle.net. Previously, I have downloaded and installed StarCraft II. As far as I know, this game doesn't want to display the game on the external monitor. So with that setting just now, we are able to do so. Let's try that. Okay, when we play the game right now, so as you can see, this is actually launching on the external monitor, which I have made as the main display. So that is the benefit of it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.